The sour economy could soon be taking yet another victim. Funding shortages may force the Queens Pride House in Jackson Heights to shut its doors. Our Stefan Kim explains.
There is only one full-time LGBT center in the borough of Queens, and by next spring, there could be none. The Queens Pride House is in danger of becoming a casualty of the sagging economy. The center has already reduced its operating hours, and 5 of their 8 paid employees have been recently laid off.
Many of the clients that we serve are immigrants and with a lot of needs. They're of a lower socioeconomic status.
And Ober says the LGBT community in the borough is so large that if Queens were its own city, it would have the 9th largest gay population in the U.S. That's why the center provides a host of services, from substance abuse counseling to immigration help to employment and healthcare programs. But all of that is in jeopardy because state and city funding this year has been slashed drastically. About $80,000 expected from the state isn't coming this year.
We had some small funding from the city of New York of $12,500, and this year only $5,000.
Adding to their financial headaches is that the 2 other organizations they had been sharing rent expenses with have recently been shuttered, leaving them with the sole responsibility of paying the rent. So a fundraising committee was recently formed in order to keep the center running.
Donations from individuals, and obviously we're hoping to recoup the funds from the state Senate and state assembly through a new reappropriation from the state legislature.
In the meantime, volunteers have been brought in to replace the laid off staff members, but that isn't enough to keep the center afloat. Despite the grim outlook, though, the organization's leaders remain optimistic. In Jackson Heights, Stefan Kim, New York 1.